Let's start DSP now.
Who takes you home now?
I don't know.
Oh, no, because that's about where my mother. Where did you park your car?
Huh?
No, what take you?
What time are you at?
Please, one house, the Use man. I say one house, the Use man. You presented, let others do their own. Thank you very much, Use. Introduce yourself and then.
My name is Mrs. Hawa Olale. I am the collation officer for Bariki Ward 02.
02, okay.
Hawa Olale.
Carry on.
And this is a summary of the results from Bariki Ward 2. Registered voters 10785.
10785. 10785.
Yes, please. That's 108, 785. Yes. No, that's 10,000.
10,000.
108, 785.
Now you have come.
Sorry.
108.
785. Sorry, I missed out the gate.
Okay.
Accredited voters 7346. 346.
Okay.
Votes scored by parties. Party A 1313. Party AA 3. Party ADC 1312. That's 1,312. 1312. Party ADP 4040. Party APC 5077. Party ABGA 69.
5077, right?
Yes. ABGA 69. APM 27. APP 3. BP 3. NNPP 89. NRM 8. PDP 152.
You're calling it twice, please.
Okay, please. Well, PDP 152. PRP 6. PRP 6. SDP 108. SDP 108. YPP 86. YPP 86. ZLP 44. Total valid votes 7039. Total valid votes 7039.
Where's your CR? Who is your CS? Your support person?
703.
Can you call the vote received by participants? Let's see.
Party A,
Yes.
13.
Okay.
Party AA, 3.
Yes.
Party ADC, 1312. Is that correct?
Yes.
Party ADP, 40.
Yes.
Party APC, 5077.
Yes.
Party APGA, 69. Party APM, 27.
Yes.
Party APP, 3.
Okay.
Party BP, 2.
Okay.
2,
Is that 3?
Oh,
You said 2. Yeah, you said 3.
this is like
2, right?
It's 2, please.
NNPP. 1
2. Party NNPP 89. Is that okay?
Yeah, continue.
Party NRM 8.
Yes.
Party PDP 152. Party PRP 6. Party SDP 108.
Yes.
Party YPP 86.
Yes.
Party ZLP 44.
Yes.
Total valid vote 7039.
Yes.
Is it 3 now or 3 8?
39 because there was a correction.
7-0.
39. Rejected vote 282. Total vote cast 7321.
Yes.
You want to go?
Since 3 days.
You want to go?
Yes, sir.
Open it, let them come out. Agents,
Wow. So sleep.
you don't look like someone who have not slept. Your eyes are very bright.
In short, I was like, if I don't fall like physically, then I know I'm a strong woman.
So what's your conclusion? You are a strong woman.
I know, ask him. No, you should tell him. Tell him now.
She's a big madam. No, a big madam.
We are talking about whether she's strong or not. You don't change the topic.
None of you. Tell him.
Okay, ma'am.
Was it pain?
I just gave some people cash which is.
I saw SQ.
To present. So we are doing very well. 1, 2, 3, 4 remaining. So by now,
That's for the councillorship. That's for the council. That's for the councillorship.
which
Okay,
council?
so it's chairmanship.
Yeah.
Oh, only 4 was to declare.
Yes.
And so by 5 we are done now.
Yes. It's a good thing for us. Are they around?
No, I don't.
5, even 6, even 7 are okay.